Hello everyone. I have a mess on my desk, as you can see. It's a mess, but I'm having a ton of fun. I have been working on creating little clusters to add to other pieces. I am just having a ball. So, those are just some of them that I did. So, what I want to do with all of you, like this one, I think I need to add something to it, but this is going to end up being, I think it's going to end up being a pocket or either or like a belly band kind of thing, some sort of a tuck something or other because it's nice and long. Let me show you first what I'm using. So all of these pieces, or most of them that I'm working with right now, are from this Basic Gray Lucille collection. And all I did was tear out the different pieces, and I ended up with all this amazing stuff to work with. This is another one of from that collection, Basic Gray Lucille. Like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to like tear this apart and play with it. So that's what I started out using. Like I even have a couple, a few of them over here. Like, look at these. Look at these. This one has wallpaper, gold shiny wallpaper on the back of it. Like, how fun is this stuff, right? So, but I did want to take you along with me as I work on this piece. So out of a 12 by 12, these are the only two pieces I have left. So I figured let's do this together. Now I'm using walnut stain. I'm really enjoying the walnut stain at this point. I mean, it's definitely dark, but I'm liking it. I'm really enjoying the darkness of it. And yeah, I do have Vintage Photo out as well. I don't know, I just keep going towards this color right here. And I really, honestly, I have no idea where I'm going to put all of this stuff. I really don't know. So this is actually paper. I believe, well, no, I know what it is like, so on a shelf, like when you open your kitchen cabinet, like where your dishes are and everything, this piece would attach on the edge of the shelf that you see so that it looks pretty. So like that would go down. It would go down and you would see this when you opened up the door. Super pretty, right? I got them long ago at some, I don't know, from some Etsy shop. I think I have a bunch more somewhere. I need to find it. So all I'm going to do is start putting stuff together. Now I have been watching Shabby Dabby Doodah, Tina, as well as Nina Ribena, and a few others, Junk Journal Treasures, and those I guess are my main ones. And so I don't know, they just inspire me so much to just play. Okay, so now at this point on here, I mean, I could definitely start adding some text and, I don't know, I have a lot of stuff taken out, but then I was thinking, well, why don't I just take one of my clusters and see if I can use it? Like look at that alone. Let me zoom in just a little bit. So, like, look at how pretty that looks. Like, this would be too small. Both of these, I think, would be too small. This one would look pretty as well. Like, look at that. Oh, my gosh. How am I going to decide? How the heck am I going to decide? Like that one. Like, look at how pretty that is. Oh, one thing I do have to do, it's like, I get, it's like, how am I going to decide? How am I going to decide? So since that white is so white, let me go ahead and tone that down with some walnut stain, so it's not so white. So now what do? All right, so I'm kind of liking this on there, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on this one. I do like that. I do like this on here very much, actually. See, so there's the fake lace up here, right? Then there is, on this one, there's some lace here. So do I add more, some sort of a lace? I don't know. It might be lace, too much lace. You know what? And I don't know that I want to put this on there. What do you guys think? Should I put it on? I guess I can. I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing with this stuff, you know? So I also pulled this out. So there is a bookstore run by the Mennonites in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Lancaster. And I bought some of these. They were 10 cents each. And this is from, I don't know, it's from 1971. And, you know, it's just good to pull out some stuff from. Oh, so I'm liking her. Where'd she go? Oh, I am liking her. Okay. So now, actually, what I think I'm going to do is so this little magazine actually tells you how to make things, how to sew things, how to knit things, whatever. That's what those little things are. So they must have mailed out to people, I guess, at one point in time. I don't know. All right, so I'm going to kind of switch gears here and kind of, well, I'll hold this close by. Let's pull some of this in. And let's see. Now, I obviously don't want it to cover too much, but with her, now I don't want the text on there. So let's tear around her and get rid of all of the straight edges. Let's see what we can come up with. I didn't see her before, so this is like, this is fun. All right. I almost tore her head off. Oh, you know what? I like that. I like that. Let me get rid of all this stuff because I don't need this. I don't need to hold on to stuff. Okay. So I could play with that, and then this can be some sort of a pocket at some point. I kind of am liking that. So let's see. Let me get this inked up. And let's see. So starting today, which is Friday, what is today? I have no idea what today is. The 3rd of September. And I start vacation today for a week. So you're going to probably get a lot of little videos from me. I'm just warning you now. Get ready. Get ready. All right, so if I put her on there, then I do think that I could definitely add some lace. So we could do something like that. I'll make sure I stay in frame. Something like that. I do like it hanging off a little bit. Oh, I do like that. I would cut this little end off right here. Like, I don't mind that it hangs over. In fact, I like that it hangs, like stuff is hanging over all over. Because again, eventually I would put this on something. right? Like smack right on a page or make a pocket out of it or something like that. Well, let's look. Let's see. I have all this stuff. Let's see. Oh, this is a really nice piece as well. Let's take a look and see what this looks like. I like this a lot, actually. I should probably just glue that on. Oh, this is going to be hard. You know what? Let me glue this on because this keeps moving, and I think I'm pretty good with it staying right where I had it. Well, it's going to have to be. It's going to have to be. All right, just a little slanted is good. So now I go back to this. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I have to think. Well, first of all, she's too neat, right? So let me get her toned down with a little bit of color on her. And yeah, you know what? I think she's a little bit too long. So let's do that. I do like that better. And let's ink this up. Don't need all that white stuff going on down there on the paper, right? So if I put that there, I do like that. I do. I can't decide. I cannot. I don't know. I do a lot of thinking when it comes to this. It's like it's not super intuitive to me. So I do spend time thinking. Oh, I like that. I just don't want it to look like too much with lace up there and lace down here, but I gotta tell you, I like the way that looks. All right, let me cut this. All right, I'm gonna do this. I am. You can whoops, I got windows wide open, the breeze is blowing, you can hear cars outside, I'm sure, because a loud one just went by. All right, so I would like to see all this yummy brown under here. So let's see if that works. That does work. All right, one thing I want to do, I can tell right away, is let's go ahead. I want to get this a little bit darker. I did tea dye that that piece right there, this piece. I tea dyed it. I don't think I said that right. I tea dyed it. I think I said tie-dyed. And this is a printable from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I'm kind of liking that. All right, I'm going to put that there. I think I'm getting close. I don't know that I want to waste the other half of that, so let me cut that off. And let's put this here. I like that straight across. And let's get her on. What do you think? Oh, I don't know. I like everything. I'm not 100% sold on her, to tell you the truth. I like her. I think she's great. And I really do think I'm just going to do it because you know what? It's called overthinking. I don't like it when I overthink. I do not. I'm more about put it down, fix it later. All right, I want her on a little bit of a tilt. All right. Oh, I do like that very much. Oh my gosh. I think it looks good. I do have Oh my gosh, you should see this desk. In here, I have, like I have like special day. What else do I have? These are actually, I just cut these out, like all these up top here that you can see, from a 12 by 12 paper from, I don't know, many, many years ago at a scrapbook expo that my friend and I went to many, many years ago. We took a class from Melissa Francis, and this is her paper. And I had two pieces of it that I cut up. One was Christmas related, so I put that with my Christmas stash. I'm like, well, I've had this for, I don't know, 8 years. I'm thinking I like that. What do you think? Oh, I kind of like it there, but it got the butterflies over here, so I don't know. I kind of like it there. Yep, I think it has to go in that spot. All right, so let's do this. I'll put it up like that. Like that. All right. I think that's it. I think that's it. Let me hold it up close. And so I am making a junk journal from pieces of cardboard. I'm actually following what Nina Ribena does with some of her junk journals. And so I'll be working on that over the week. And I don't know, maybe this will end up in there. We will see. We will see. I like it. Let me know what you think about these. Aren't they fun? Oh my gosh, they're like so much fun. Like this is also from Melissa Francis, that little saying down there. Super cute, right? This is a piece of printer paper that I tea dyed, and then in the tea mixture, I added some of this black India ink right into it, and I soaked it, and you can see it like looks like marbled black a little bit. It was fun. It was good. But all right, I am good with this. And like I said, you're going to see a lot of videos this week, so you can just ignore me. But I'm having fun, and I thought, well, why the heck not share? And maybe it will inspire someone else to get out their stash and start gluing. All right, I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye.